Hi, this is Suzette Wheeler, riding with the cyclists down the Railroad Pass Trail today. Should be fun. You can go as far as you want to go on this trail. You start off in Henderson, work your way all the way into Boulder City if you like. So, here we go. This is the start of, or one particular point on the trail, the Acacia Park, and there's a bridge that takes you over onto the Railroad Pass Trail. You can walk, you can bike, I'm going to be biking. You can see this is really a popular trail also for bicyclists. They're coming around the corner here. Lots of opportunity to ride, and this down the big path. So here's part of the trail. See people are walking, running, doing their thing. We're going to keep going down the trail more towards Henderson. So this is the Railroad Pass Trail at an intersection with there is seating area where you can sit down. There's actually some water fountains along this trail too. And this is the Union Pacific Railroad Trail. This tells you where it is. It's really nice. There's water, there's parking, there's lights for pedestrians. Just a great trail. Bunch of seating area. A stopover. This looks like a little mini railroad track. They kind of made it look like that to make it look like it's a railroad pass trail. Dog spot. Just a lot of opportunity to stop, rest, fix a tire, etc. Crossing button for bicyclists and walkers and that sort of thing. It's a busier street. It doesn't look busy right now, but it is. And you can push a button and let you go. Interesting, they have history along the way. The Henderson town site and how that began. This is a rest station. It also has a doggy watering station or watering station as well. And to cross over to the next part of the trail. Only 4 miles from Acacia Park, and you can see we're already out in the desert. We're about 5 miles in, and this is my favorite part. I call it the street of trees. It's just tree cover on both sides. It's just so beautiful to drive through. Just trees and mesquite trees. Nice little refuge. Right here you can see it's just trees and beauty. Great, our wonderful desert that we have. So here we are in the Mojave Desert outside of Henderson, Nevada, right actually on the edge of Henderson. And behind us is the Las Vegas Valley. Ahead of us is a bike trail. There's a bridge up ahead that takes you on this trail over to Boulder City, the city right outside of Las Vegas. Very peaceful and quiet out here. So we are with our bikes. We're on our way. Let's turn around. Las Vegas, right at the one from back of us. Las Vegas.
top.
So on our trail, we found a bike repair station. This is all the bike tools that you need and a spot to put your bike. And then there's air. You can pump up your tire if you forgot your canister for air. It's right there. I'm going to try to put my bike on this bike stand. So here's my bike on the bike stand. It fits really well. It's a windy day. You kind of see it moving a little bit, but it looks like it holds it up pretty well with a little help from a friend. So we're heading back to Las Vegas from the River Mountain Trail, past the bridge, and then we're heading back into Las Vegas from here. So here we are back at Acacia Park, finishing up the ride. A lot of fun. It was about 14 miles, but it took about a 14-mile ride. I think that's a good ride. Decent ride. You can take it up to 30, 40, 50 miles if you want. But anyway, glad you enjoyed this video. This is Suzette Wheeler, riding crazy. We'll talk soon.